Have completed Session 2, Wages, Salaries, and Tips. In this session, you learned when and how a taxpayer is to report wages, salaries, and tips received from employment. You can now take the common information found on a W-2 and enter it onto the appropriate lines on Form 1040. Included was a discussion of the difference between a contractor and employee, and some simple guidelines using the principles of exclusivity, tools, and control to define how to differentiate the two. You also understand that most income is reportable for tax purposes, but some income is specifically exempted and does not need to be included. You'll want to refer often to the charts found in your workbook, which provide valuable lists of both taxable and non-taxable income. Now, read Chapter 2 in your workbook. Test your knowledge by completing the review questions and the learning activities. You will then be ready for Session 3, which will expand on the income discussion as it pertains to interest and dividend income. Here are the tax-saving tips for Session 2. 1. Consider deferring any year-end income, such as bonuses, to next year, particularly if you expect your client will be in the same or lower income tax bracket next year. 2. If the taxpayer receives stock options as part of their compensation plan and would like to avoid negative tax consequences, you'll want to consider various timing issues when exercising those options.